Okay, welcome to the Digital Inclusion Level System Computer Basics section. So the goals in this section are to learn to turn the computer on, restart, and log off. Use the Start menu to find programs and documents and search for items. Create new windows, minimize windows, and maximize windows. Create and name folders. Arrange items on the desktop and in folders. Adjust the volume on the computer. Change the desktop background and screensaver. And use the right button on the mouse. Here is assignment 1. Turning off the computer. Move the mouse to where it says Start at the bottom left corner of the screen and click. Click on Turn off the computer. A window will pop up. There are buttons that say Stand by, Turn off, and Restart. Click on the Turn off button. At this point, Windows will begin shutting down. As the computer shuts down, you can turn off the monitor. There are 3 buttons at the bottom of the monitor. You will turn off the one farthest to the right. That is turning off the computer. Now, let's practice turning it back on. Simply hit the power button on the tower and then you turn the monitor back on. Windows immediately begins logging in automatically. When the computer starts up, it takes you to the login screen, and you will always choose Members, the top one, Members. Just click once and it'll log in. Now we're going to practice restarting the computer. It's very similar to turning off the computer. Once again, you go to the Start menu. In the bottom left hand corner, click Start once, and then as the same as before, you click on Turn off computer. Then this box comes up again with 3 buttons. This time you will click Restart and Windows begins shutting down. Now, unlike last time when the computer just stayed off, this time since we hit Restart, it will automatically restart on its own. So let's just wait for it to shut down and then watch as it restarts again. I didn't hit any buttons, it did that on its own. As we did before, we click on Members to log in. Now let's learn one more thing in assignment 1, how to log the computer off. We're on the account Members, so once again we will go to Start and click, and then instead of clicking on Turn off computer like we did before, this time we're going to click Log Off. There are 2 options here, Switch User and Log Off. We click Log Off. The computer doesn't shut down this time, it simply goes back to the login page. As you can see, if the computer is on the login page, you can also turn off the computer here by clicking the button here down at the bottom, Turn Off Computer. And that is the end of assignment 1.